cashew milk for the first time on my video. So for the first recipe, I am going to need spinach, yogurt, avocado, and dates, and also honey. So not to take much of your time, because this is going to be a very quick video for 3 recipes, but I'm just going to do my best to wrap up. Then, so to talk about avocados, I've already done much on avocados, and for the sake of those visiting my channel for only today, or for the sake of my new viewers, I want you to note that avocados contain essential nutrients such as potassium, fiber, vitamin K, C, and vitamin E. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acid, and they are good for your skin health as well. They are considered as powerful brain food. It boosts fertility and lower the risk of depression. They are good for the heart health and also helps to feel full. So if you are looking forward to a a breakfast smoothie, then this is for you. If you're also looking out for a weight loss smoothie, this is for you. And it's also aid in weight loss and boost brain health and improve memory as well. So I want you to know that spinach is loaded with vitamin C, K, A. It has manganese and also has magnesium and iron. Eating green leafy veggies may help your eye health, release oxidative stress, and reduce blood pressure levels. They are good for your heart health, and also helps you get strong bones. It boosts your immune system, and it's very good for your eye health, and it also helps you boost your energy for the day. So in this recipe, if you are looking forward to reaching your weight loss goals, or putting yourself on the right track, feeling full, getting enough energy to begin your day, then you can consider this recipe. So because of time, I'll just go ahead and talk about the second recipe. So guys, here is our smoothie, and it's ready. Look at that. So you would have to, it's a choice though, because I didn't use any frozen ingredients, so you can add ice cubes to it. You didn't see me add ice cube. I forgot. It was right beside me, but I wasn't able to add it. I forgot. Yeah. Alright, so guys, this is our first smoothie, and look at the way it is. So looking so yummy, and I love the color. Greens are healthy. I love greens. So I use chia seeds as my dressing. Very soon I'll be dropping a video for chia seed pudding. Hooray! Alright guys, so for the second recipe, I'm using broccoli and spinach. Baby spinach. Yep. I have cinnamon on this recipe. Cinnamon powder, I'm using dates, cashew nuts, and cashew milk. So as I said, the time is not favorable, so I'll just be rushing into the benefits. Okay, so to talk about broccolis, They are loaded or packed with minerals, vitamins, and bioactive compounds. And this is also rich in antioxidants, which helps to reduce inflammation due to the bioactive compounds presence. Okay, it aids blood sugar levels, support heart health. It promotes healthy digestion and reduce constipation. It also supports brain functioning and slow aging process. It boosts your immune system. So guys, if you are not ready for this recipe, I mean, it's very, very good for your digestive system. It's so powerful for your digestive health. And if you're someone who always struggle with indigestion or constipation, this will be very helpful for you if you take this in the afternoon or close to the evening. It's perfect and you will love it. So I this is just the last recipe, and as I said, this is my first time of introducing chard on this Swiss chard on my videos actually, and I think I have a lot to say. But before then, since today is my first time of using cashew nuts, cashew milk, on my recipe, I'll just go ahead and say a little about it. So I want you to know that cashew nuts are rich in protein, they are rich in antioxidants, and has no cholesterol. They lowers the risk of gallstones. And also, to talk of cashew milk, it helps boost your immunity, and it's good for the skin health as well. It's good for your eye and heart health, and it also aid blood clotting. So guys, with this last recipe, I'm using honey, coconut water, and Swiss chard, and banana. These are the things that I am using on this recipe, and I'm also using moringa powder. Okay, this recipe is super super dope for it helps you boost your immunity. One, it also helps you to get a glowing skin. It helps in digestion, helps stop constipation, and it's good for your hormones. All right, go ahead and give it a try, and you are going to love it. So that's my coconut water. So to talk about coconut water, I want you to know it's very delicious. It promotes hydration, reduce blood pressure, prevents kidney stones, and it's very nutritional. It also helps reduce blood pressure. So to talk about, I'm not talking about banana today. No, because I've said a lot about them in my previous videos. And if you are new here, you can check my other videos with banana, and you will know how it works or what you gain from eating bananas. All right, so to talk about Swiss chard, guys, you should know this. Even a small portion of Swiss chard served can cover your daily need for vitamin A and vitamin K. It has calcium, copper, zinc, magnesium. It has vitamin E, sodium, and phosphorus. They are also very low in calories, and this makes it more weight loss friendly. So, if you're also looking forward to maintain your weight or lose weight, Swiss chard, yes, and it's high in antioxidants, which helps fight free radicals that may lead to certain diseases or illnesses, and this helps reduce the risk of developing certain chronic diseases. They has fiber, benefits the heart health, and lowers blood sugar by decreasing insulin resistance. I want you to know that there's also promote weight loss. So if you have any hormonal issues, or if you have indigestion, or you're facing anything with constipation, I recommend the last one for you. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video, and it's been a nice time with you. So until I come your way again next time, take care of yourself, be good, stay safe, and it's bye bye.